Today, we have a special treat for all you Samsung fans out there. The official launch of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is just around the corner on March 11, but the internet never sleeps when it comes to leaks and rumors. Today, we have a live hands-on video posted by a Reddit user, Zozo, showcasing some surprising upgrades that might just steal the show. Alright, so Zozo has given us an exclusive look at the Galaxy A55 5G, and it's shaping up to be quite the device. First off, we just appreciate the timing of this leak, right before the official launch. Now let's dive into some of the standout features that Zozo highlighted in the video. One of the most impressive features is the screen brightness. Zozo reveals that the Galaxy A55 5G can reach a hopping 1650 nits of brightness. That's incredible, ensuring a vibrant and clear display even in the brightest outdoor conditions. Samsung is pushing the boundaries here. Moving on to the design, the Galaxy A55 seems to be a robust device. Both the front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, ensuring durability and resistance against scratches and accidental drops. The aluminum frame adds that extra layer of toughness, making it a sturdy companion for your daily adventures. Zozo spills the beans on the Xclipse 530 GPU, enhancing the overall performance of the device. This means smoother gaming, faster multitasking, and overall snappy experience. Samsung is focusing on delivering a device that doesn't just look good, but performs exceptionally well too. But wait, there's more. Zozo reveals that the Galaxy A55 5G boasts the largest vapor chamber ever seen in an A series phone. This impressive cooling system ensures that your device stays cool even during intense gaming sessions or resource-heavy tasks. It's all about keeping things running smoothly. For those who love a power-packed device, the Galaxy A55 doesn't disappoint. Zozo mentions that it comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, promising a seamless and lag-free experience. Whether you're a multitasker or a heavy app user, this phone has got you covered. Now let's talk about the audio experience. Dolby Atmos stereo speakers are on board, providing an immersive and high-quality audio experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the Galaxy A55 aims to elevate your audio experience to new heights. Last but not least, Zozo touches upon security. The Galaxy A55 5G includes Knox Vault for added security of your data. Samsung is not only focusing on performance and aesthetics, but also making sure that your personal information stays safe and secure. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, thanks to Zozo's hands-on video. Are you excited about this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, Turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.